Hi everybody, today we're going to be swapping a lot of the interior lights inside my car. It's a 2016 Mazda 3 CS Grand Touring, but I don't think the trim level matters with this install. I just am not a huge fan of the incandescent lights inside there. They look kind of old and weird, so this isn't like a crazy aesthetic mod or anything, but it's super basic, pretty cheap, and easy to do. So let's hop right in. First step, we're gonna start with these front ones. You just depress it a little bit, slide a flathead screwdriver under the front of it, towards the front of the vehicle. It'll pop right out, both sides, like that. Pops out, and I'm just gonna yank the old bulb right out. It's just kind of held in there by a couple of springs. Careful, it could be warm. So that's out. The LED goes in. Ooh, man, that's pretty. Now they say that you can aim them straight down for the brightest, or you can actually turn them away a little bit and it won't be quite as bright. I'm going for bright, so mine are going straight down. All right, and putting the cover back on is just as simple as you've got these holders here. Those are going towards the front of the car. This is gonna go in first on the back and it's gonna snap in place. That's a beautiful difference right there. We're gonna go ahead and repeat that exact same process for the other side. In the back of the car now, same flathead screwdriver. We're gonna go for this bad boy. There's an indentation. Use the screwdriver to pry it out. Oh, we're gonna drop out the old incandescent. And the new one goes in. And if it doesn't light, use reverse orientation. It's an LED, so they only work one way. Beautiful. All right, we're in the back of the car now, and I have the hatchback model, so this will be a different process for a sedan, and I'm not gonna show you that. You're gonna have to figure that one out on your own. But here, we've got just a little light. We're gonna use flathead screwdriver at the front, pry it off from the switch side, or replace it, same as we did before, and slap the cover back on. Woo! Beautiful. In it goes. All right, still at the back of the car, we're going to do the license plate covers. You've got these little notches on either side, and depending on whether you're on the left or the right light, you're gonna pick the inside one, the one that's closest to the center of the car, and you're gonna pry it towards the inside and downwards, just like that, and it should pop right out. Just like that. I'm all about cheap here at Stephen the Milkman's garage, so this is our pot holder. A little slippery. So it's a little hard to pull these out, but it should come out with just your fingers. Slap the new bulb in. And we'll check if I turn it on the headlights. All right. And the cover goes back on. Just snap it in place. Beautiful. All right, so lastly, we're gonna get the vanity mirrors. Same flathead screwdriver. We'll pop the cover off, swap the light, put the cover back on. Woo! This is the one we're installing. Just like that. Beautiful. And we'll repeat the same for the other side. All right, so here's a quick before and after, but thank you for watching.